Trend Micro Vision One's XDR capabilities leverage Deep Discovery Inspector to provide network-level visibility to attacks. Using the Observe graph, we are able to see there are two main parts to this attack. First, we see that this is a possible spear phishing attack. We can see that Jesse sent an email to Sam with a potentially hazardous link. Next, we can see that Sam clicked the link and the threat spread in the network. But where? To dig into this deeper and really visualize the attack, we can look at the Network Analytics report. This view really tells the story of the breach. What was the initial infection point, who is involved in the attack, and where the threat is calling out to. By pressing the play button, we can watch the attack replay over time. From the timestamps marked on the bar, you can see this breach took place over 3 months. We can see the attack starts with Sam and then later spreads to Pat. Then all of a sudden, the attack is launched. Pat's PC reaches out to an external server. The threat spreads to an unmanaged system, which reaches out to the same external server, and finally, the threat spreads to a second unmanaged system. From this image, you can see that the initial point of infection was Sam. You can see who else was involved in the attack and to where they were calling out. One of the advantages to a network view like this one is that you can see both the managed and unmanaged devices. The .201 and .160 systems that were a part of this attack could be contractor or bring your own device systems, or even an MRI machine, solar panels, or a smart filter in a fish tank. Don't laugh, it's happened. Now that you know the extent of the attack, you have the ability to do further investigation and triage by using external sources like VirusTotal. Because we know communication is critical in all organizations, you can also export this report for further distribution to give management better understanding of the attack and its scope. Trend Micro Vision One. See more, respond faster.